Free in a song when them a cuss.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't tell her they go suck mother.
What make? I will make him.
You have to run where?
Yeah, eat that. So him can't go no eat, can't go no.
See phone, do it on the phone. Do it, tell her they know go suck. Tell her they go suck mother. Tell her they go suck mother now. Okay.
Well, I don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man, I know things said. But people, I see from where they are, and I just one video me I do about this. And I don't know so when media facts forward out, you know. I don't know so me is not a regular vlogger but just put up some video and just make it play and me I break it down so people can understand what I want. You understand? But people, me I go play a video. You see all the way I want to dance right now with cartel thing. See? Cause this is how I with dancehall. Them bias. You understand? But people, the reason why I play that video clip here, I want to listen keenly. I'm going to break it down why these things happen in dancehall and this one man, it does surpass like nothing ever happen. See? Listen.
I tell you, sir, how do you have a power?
You got no blood clot.
Okay.
My prime minister, I listen to blood clot.
I'm the prime minister of power.
So wait. Jamaican, I respond to wait.
That's why I'm can't get the
I like big bit.
So, you see, the brother has a cartel have the power and everything, but if cartel the real have the power, he wouldn't be in jail for 13 years, brother. You understand? And this is the thing, you know, people. Enough of these people like so-called fans, enough of them say cartel is because of the fear. The fear in them people. You understand? The fear in a certain things where when it's come to him. But people want to listen to the video more, I'm going to break it down, make you understand where me are forward from.
Anything Prime Minister said, no must. No must. You must agree with it. What he say? He say.
Look how much man tell prime minister about suck mother.
I would have run out of bed.
Yeah, but tell cartel that blood clot, you see something.
What?
You see what me I try to talk about? But these are the thing, you know, people want to listen, you know. Seeing? You hear what him say? Look how much people tell the minister. Seeing? You don't know how Jamaican prime minister say, yo, about your mother. But he won't play it off, he make it seem like say, yo, it's nothing. But you hear what him say? Him say, bet. You couldn't say something that to vybzkartel. But you see what him try to say now? Come remember, you know, him is a Gaza fan, you know. See him? So he must say, look here. He must make it seem like say vybzkartel more powerful than the government. At that he must try to say, you know. But listen, people.
Tell Adi that. And you see something. Tell Adi that. Anyone who know, nobody make a face. Just tell Adi that. Yeah. Just tell Adi say Adi go suck mother. I regular man tell him go suck him mother.
Yo, and these are the thing, you know, people. This is why you have enough of them fans that you hear around the cartel thing, you know. And not because of cartel music. It's because of the fear that come with it. It's like, yo, I can't go to say this other artist, you know. So anybody we are show them face, any vlogger, we are show them face on the media. Zine, them afraid, them are afraid because look at them can't take the backlash and all of these things because look at now, them can't diss up any other artists and them fans. But them now go do that with the Gaza and cartel thing. Because what seem like what that brother here say, make tell cartel boy mother and see what happen. Which and I saw if you go, everybody can talk anything. Zine, but the thing is that this brother here wouldn't have no reason if you go tell cartel about his mother because cartel never do him nothing. But me I try express to no people say, look here, this is why a lot of people, you notice when cartel come out, you hear this, some fake fans come out. Yo, Gaza, Ray. And the fear, make them have to choose that side there. Enough of them no rate cartel. It's the fear of cartel. Them afraid to come out and backlash and Ray and everything. They want to talk something and them afraid. They want to talk about any other artist. Yeah man, any other artist. But them can't talk about cartel. No matter what cartel come doing at the media. You understand? Yeah. And to me, right now, if they ever catch cartel and one man, trust me, you know that's what happen. Me I tell you that. They might go spin narrative and say, yo, I know him that. Because of the fear, none of them now come talk. And this, because them afraid them life, them lose them life, them afraid people stand taunt them afraid somebody call them and page them and come apologize because them a compare cartel with the government. You understand? I say, yo, cartel thing larger than the government, which common sense that can go on type cartel thing larger than the government. He would have road for 13 years. You understand? But people want to listen. When? People, them are going like say first. You understand? people tell Kartel about him mother, brother. When I go and like say, yo, let me tell you, this is a woman I like, and me see why a lot of people afraid for forward out and talk. See, at the end of the day, nobody now just forward out and tell Kartel about him mother if them not do him so. If Kartel not do them something. You understand? People come out and do that, bro. People do that. It may be not on the media or whatever. People do that, bro. And this is the thing. They make Kartel look like, if them say him is a good man or a change man, they make the man look like some god, some, like, yo, some big done, some big kingpin and all of them look something there. You understand? Which we know how the system work and we know where him come with. You understand? We know what kind of entity him did affiliate with or whatsoever. But this is how I try to show you, say, the fear, cause if a man tell a man, say, yeah man, I want you, tell him about mother, you see. These are two big man, you know, that me I try to show you, you know. So these why certain things that in the media with Kartel when it comes to them guys there, them fish there, all of them look at something. It just slide past in the media cause people afraid for talk. You understand? But listen.
Wait.
And bomber class on the tell him say wait.
In a song, when them a cuss.
You hear me say? In a song when them a cuss. Now you see same thing, brother. If a man says something in a song, there's no difference, brother. You understand? It's just a word. You see Kartel tell man about them mother too. You understand? Yeah. All ninja man him tell boy mother, so nobody else can tell Kartel boy mother if him tell them. Me not understand. This is why Kartel can get away with certain things, because if other artists them burn them out, them cancel them everything, but them not gonna do that with Kartel because them afraid of him. The fear, you understand?
Yeah, you can't tell her because something, mother.
What make? I will make it.
You have to run way.
You see what me I try to tell you? You see it? The man say him can't tell Kartel boy mother because him have to go run way. Why may I tell you to right? Man say man have to run way. Yo, Jah know that. You see what me I try to talk about people? This is what me I try. So me I make you go and listen this, cause me I go talk, me I go explain the situation now, you know. Listen.
So him can't go to eat.
Tell her the no go something. Tell her the go something, mother.
No, you see, he's a Gaza fan, you know. Yeah, man. I one of the Gaza sheet. Them. I one of my main border cat. You understand? You see how him a react, how him a go on. Tell her this something, mother. Tell her this something, mother. And these, that's what I try to show you, you know. A lot of these fans don't care about Kartel music. Kartel should not sell platinum, on top of platinums. But this is what them love. Them love the negative side, the badness, all of these things. For you, they just tell a man, say, yo, tell her this, okay, mother. Where, you see what happened. Which, where the man I got tell. Come remember him bring it up, you know. Where the man I got tell Kartel boy, mother for now. But these are the fans. This is where them gravitate to. You understand? But listen, people.
You're going to careful watch this and see.
He must watch it and see.
No, when can do me?
If him not see it, somebody watch and tell him.
When can do me?
Send for you, man.
I know you want to do me now.
Oh, you mean him send for you.
So a man say, if him tell him boy mother, Kartel I go send for him. Brother, Kartel a police or what? Yo, this is the thing, you know. The you could have tell Kartel boy mother, no, this fly over in a brother. Cause look here, nobody don't know this a brother here. Him could have see all the man with them beside the phone. See him? Bro, this, yo, me don't think even Kartel even go pray this, brother. See him? But the way how this Gaza man here, I go on, the man make it seem like say, yo, anyway him say it, him just go vanish off of the earth, brother. You understand? These are the things why enough of them people here link with the Gaza thing. Because of the fear. Them feel like so when them say Gaza, them feel bad, badness. Yeah, this is the thing.
Andrew send phone on no bed, you know.
Andrew don't send me nobody.
Send phone on no bed.
Andrew don't send me nobody. Your police take you up on the head and go for man.
So then the police say, tell her they got something, man, I go take you up on the bed and come for you.
So he there do what?
Then the police, then I idiot to take up you go for the man, them under them bed.
Yeah, wrong. Your freedom of speech. Come for me. Come down there, my speech.
Well, tell her they got something, man, and then they go no back.
Me come like you.
I tell her.
You see what me try to talk about, man say tell Adi go suck him mother if you know bad. You see, me if I wonder if Kartel is a dan or an artist, me don't know where do badness or music, or that man know. Me don't understand this. We know that Kartel is not the powerfulest man in the world. Me see people tell Trump, boy, Trump, this up Trump, the will, bro, much people with more high in a high power in that society, bro, get criticized, bro. Like, this is why when you see certain things and you see when Kartel dropping music, then you not really that focused, nobody really, because it's not about his music, it's about the energy when come with the, you understand, the fans and what the fans see him as gods, you understand? But people, this is what the part of we want to reach now. See? We see some people for every time Alkaline. Remember, because look at me, I'm going to be plain and straight and fair, you know. See? Alright. You see where Alkaline sing about the body wash thing, we're gonna burn off that. Zine, cause look here. I pick my side, Alka my artist, big up the ADF them. Zine, where Alka bring it, what Alka say about the body wash thing, yeah man, we're gonna burn off that. Zine, we not deal with that. See me? Yeah man, we're gonna burn off that 100%. But this is the thing now. Alkaline never say him get it. But look here, we still have a burn off that. Same way. Look here now, plain and straight. Seeing? I know Alkaline alone sing that in a song. Seeing? But we see the little Gaza fan them. Cause look here now. The Gaza fan them now support Kartel real way now. Yeah man. Them prefer attack other things, but they not attack Kartel music, them and bring up views and buy them. But people, we have to pull up something. Yeah man, we have to pull up something right now. People, look on this. When you see the yellow line, look on that thing I'm going to put up on the screen. When you see yellow line. So, this is a song where Kartel sing. Him and Beanie Man. See? Breast specialist. Yeah man. Alright, you see back in them time there, we never have social media like that. Them time there, in a song, nobody never really dig deep for lyrics and read out lyrics and listen lyrics. It usually does the chorus part, people just like and just little song and reason to it and every little thing. You never have vlogger like that, like them time they with a breakdown song like that. Like we have YouTube now. But people, look at this. This is what men are like in a dancehall. You see the biasness. And this is, you know why? People not bring up them something. None of them not gonna do this what me I do. See, I bring up about this. But look at now people. This are the breast specialist song where Kartel sing. We don't know what breast picture this, breast specialist. Look here. When you go and go listen to this song and listen for that line here. So when you see where Kartel say the yellow line, Zine, the man say, you no give be wash. That a dirty habit. So basically what he must say so. Zine, he must say, look here, if you no give be wash, a dirty habit that. Means say you fi give it, a that fi go on. Zine, if you no give body wash, yeah man, that a dirty habit. Zine, Alkaline forward and say, Ray, what a brata. Zine, what a brata, I never say him get it. Zine, so look here now. When Kartel say, you no give be wash, that a dirty habit. Means say, yo, him call one girl in a room and I talk to her and I say, yo, you no give be wash? And the girl say no. Him say, a dirty habit that man. You understand? A dirty habit. Dirty habit means say, yo, you fear do it. You understand? If you not do it, you understand? A dirty habit that. So, this is the thing now. So we are going to call this fair and square because look here. Every time when Alkaline, why when Alkaline drop a song, a this no pick out? For sure you say the mentality. I mean, know say enough of the Gaza people them always run with this. May I tell you, enough of them run with this. Are the only thing. I may tell you this. I show you something. You see what the mind always pick up and give attention to? That means say it in your eyesight. You understand? Can remember Alkaline say, yo, him hearing bridging them talk about it. Zine, enough of you have bridging where ear say and this and that. Zine, enough of you do them something there, but I should not get catch. But as me say, me not go be biased with burn out Alkaline for that. So like how Kartel say this nice song, him forget burn out too. Him forget burn out too, can I go on like say, Alkaline alone talk about B-wash in a dancehall. See it here, go listen back breast specialist and talk about that too. But no, we're not gonna bring it up. You know why I'm not gonna bring it up? That's why I'm play the first video. Because no for no afraid. Cause afraid man send for no. And that are the problem in a dancehall. You understand? When Kartel do things, people afraid to come talk about it. Me say when the man drop the wig, when the man drop the little thing with the youth, with stylists, people run out, Ray. When I see everything pass over everybody head now, yeah man, I saw no do it. But for years, when Alkaline, a B-wash artist that man. So wait there. So when Kartel say this in a song, say, a dirty habit if the girl no give B-wash. So how you not get beaten for that too? That's why I try to show you, say, you see, dancehall are one big hypocrite genre and that me no rate. Them no be fear with every artist, only one set of artists, them beat. But when this a man I do it. Because me realizing I media, you know, me see a lot of things we are going, you know. Me see Fish call off a cartel and Ray and him say him listen song. See, them talk about it few days and it just fly over. I bet say, feed them fan, you hear, you got a fan, not talk about it, you know. Nobody no come beat, the way how them beat Alkaline, if you B-wash, me no think them beat when the gear walk up to Kartel and I talk to him. Me I tell you, them no do none of that, see him in that song, yeah. You no remember this, you know. Me I talk to you Gaza fan them, you know. Because enough of uno just a forward. Me I tell you no, enough of uno Gaza fan. Uno just a come out a belly. That's why uno know them something, yeah. So soon no artist, you go listen back breast specialist. Cause nobody not really listen that again really like that in a them time, yeah. Go listen back breast specialist. Go up on YouTube, man, and listen the lyrics. You understand? And say, look here, Kartel he talk about it before Alkaline. He never get no beaten. So look here now. You see fan today, me no want hear no B-wash thing. Cause look here, enough of uno, I don't want to talk about ya. See Kartel a sing it in a song, so him forget beaten to say if una go beat Alkaline, una have to beat Kartel too. Uno happy because once the B-wash bring up in a song, yeah man, if a girl not do it, a dirty habit that. So come on, cause look here, Kartel never did have to talk about the B-wash in a song. He never did have to, you know. Alkaline never have to do it. But the thing is that now, that the song they drop long time with him and being him and breast specialist. Me never really wanna talk about it yet and beat Kartel for that. But Alkaline dropped down for how much years now, about 10 years now or so. Wanna still a beat him today. So look here now, me no want hear nobody a talk about Ray beating this and wash thing. Uno Kartel do it too, so uno can beat him too. Uno be fear in a dancehall. You understand? And that's why the music no grow. Because uno prep up one set of artists and bring down one set. And when that set you do it, uno no cuss them and no try to correct them and say that not right. But when one do it, yo, cancel, yo, beat, yo, Ray. That's why the dancehall no grow. That's why enough artists are boss. You understand? Because the bag of hypocrite and the Ray and this, that thing. Me no rate that. Plain and flare. When I go back with Alkaline do, with the body wash thing. Zine. But look here, I see same thing we are going to do for Kartel. We are going to beat him for it too. You understand? So if we are going to beat Alkaline, we have to beat Kartel too. And also it work. You understand? The two of them are artists. You see it? Brata itself mean extra. It not have nothing. If you type that in a Google, it never say nothing about no B-wash. It say extra. Is what I try to say. So once you hear the word brata, yes, Alkaline say, Ray, what a brata. Zine, him never say him do it or him get it. Zine, him going and look at interview and him explain say, yo, no. Him no watch your body. Him hear Ray friend do it. Cause me tell you this, you not hypocrite too. Cause enough of no friend talk about something, you no come talk about it. You no sit down and listen to them and say, yo, Ray. But you no do the plain and straight. But you no rate Alkaline now. You no go, want bring down a Ray. But look at now, you have to go bring down Kartel now, you know. Cause enough of you no know whether that singing a song back then. You understand? Go listen to breast specialist and see what I want. You see it? You have to be plain and straight in a dance hall. Cause enough of you, if curtain if you move and see enough of you, it would have saddened. Nastiness, all of them things that we are going in a dance hall back then. You would have see what I want. See? I see enough things, I see picture and everything with God. That's why I play the first video, people. Them now go come talk nothing about Kartel where them see in the media. And enough little thing go, even when Kartel put Jaden in a song, that they are playing band fish. You hear nobody a beat Kartel. Why when Kartel do it, them no beat him? That's why I play the first video. You understand? That's why I play the first video. So Kartel can do anything and get to him. Now get no beaten. Because why? Somebody a go come for them. Yeah man. Somebody a go fall for them. So look at this is the thing, you know. Every vlogger have them side. Nobody make them try fool, you know. Every vlogger have them artists. But look at now. Them afraid to be play. Me I go be playing and straight. I'll call my artist. See, I'm a represent dancehall too. Me I push dancehall. Come I go do playing and straight. And look here, if me hear people attack stupid things, me I go come correct that. See? So enough of them vlogger, them have them side. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you what the tricks. You see vlogger them what you see. You will see them bring down a set of artists, and they not bring down one certain artist. You know, say the artists where you see them not bring down, and you hear them talk good the most and Ray and prep up them and endorse them, and that for them artists. I saw it thing where enough of them vlogger, yeah. Enough of them switch on the Gaza side. Kartel will post them up, you know. Yeah, post them up one time. Then Kartel just want to see somebody talk good about him, post them. But you see one thing, they say Kartel post them up. Yeah man, then switch fast. Then say, yo, they start vlog for Kartel now. Cause they love likes and sweet. And worse, they're afraid. You see one day we are show them face. No man, no they want them to go come talk bad about Gaza, you know. Cause look here, Remember where man go prison for 13 years. Man missing. So them no want missing. Same like in the first video when me drop him and say, yo, you can't tell Kartel boy mother can we come for you. See the fear. That's why you see enough of them, and that's why you see enough of them take a Gaza side. Because they're afraid of the backlash. That's why you see enough of artists them even bow to. If look for a Massacre thing, Massacre come out and rare, him have to come apologize. That me I try show no at the badness thing. You understand? Because if Kartel they really have that true fan base, we support him in everything. See, it would have shown in music. Cause watch ya, what connect the artists with the fans them? Music. If Kartel never had the music, nobody wouldn't know him. So it show you say, I know really the music, but the people them really like that. Gaza thing is like a cult thing. Where, yo, if you say Gaza you're bad, I saw it work. Cause when Kartel they are prison, you know, enough of them gone pan switch side, you know. Yeah man, cause them say, yo, you know, 35 mad, him now come out, you know. So you see all of them switch up now. Yeah man, switch up as in come out and you see release fan gate. Yo, Gaza, you know, Gaza me think say, yeah man, all usually say Crooks, Red, this. Well, we don't say Crooks them are a Gaza thing. But you know, some of them switch from Alkaline side. Yo, Alkaline run the place. When Kartel come out, you see them switch back. Yo, Gaza Red, cause you have some fans, you have a hype fans, I mean, a different type of fans you have, you know. You have a hype fans, them. You have a loyal fans, them. You have a cold fans, you know. You have a mixture fans, you call it neutral. You understand? Yeah, man. But anyway, you take some of them still kind of biased. They have their artists where they rate. You understand? Yeah. So, this are the thing, people. Fleeing and straight. Me don't want this be-wash thing where I go on the media. It need for cut out now. It need for cut out. Go listen to specialists and listen to the line where Kartel say. When you listen to that line there. You understand? So, we don't want nobody come at talk and a rave, bro. We don't need to be fear in a dancehall. Yeah, man, be fear, man. Nothing wrong if you not burn out artists, but everybody will do it, you know, if you burn them out too. You understand? Stop burn out one man. You see it? Alkaline just saying a key man, brata. Everybody around with you. You come back with brata. You know why you pick up brata and start think about B-wash? Because on the dunce. On the dunce. Digicel use brata. Everyone I company them, a lot of companies use the word brata. Fe market them product or whatever them have to sell or whatever item. Them use brata can mean extra. It's just an extra package. You understand? Yeah, the only thing bring my bun Alkaline for are the little B-wash thing. But look you now, I know him alone put it in a song, Kartel sing it in a song too. Zine, we can burn what a man for when he say. You understand? The man never say him get it. You understand? Him sing about it. But if him sing about it and Kartel sing about it, Kartel forget burn out too. And me hear say Bounty do it, but him can go over this, so you understand? Yeah. You know, be fear in a dancehall, and that's a woman a rate. You understand? When an artist do something, so many things Kartel do since him come out. You see Kartel up on stage, and one girl, and one banana, and we see man a fight the girl them for spray whipped cream pan the man. And I say, yo, what this? How this a man a comfortable and do them something here? Me can't even find the video on YouTube. For sure, say man them hide everything where Kartel go low with. You understand? Enough little thing him do. Actually, me can't find the video them. You understand? When you see the video them, I want video with the man, popcorn them and every little thing. Yeah. Me I wonder what man them a do. But look here, it fly over everybody head because them afraid to talk about it. Even the man them when they around them man are afraid to talk. Them know say the thing low, you know, but them afraid to talk. That's why I tell you, say, look here, Kartel will never have a team. Because look here, them afraid of him. Them afraid to say something, they running for the money and everything and hype up. Yo, the king and the god this and rare because of the money sweet. If Kartel they broke enough of them and they run him. Me tell you that. You understand? But in a due time, when I go see what I want, you see, but people don't know media facts, as me say, if when I go burn Alkaline for the B-wash, when I go burn out Kartel. Look on the thing I'm going to put up with the yellow line, read that, go listen to it, especially to the man being the man for yourself, and see what me I talk about. Alkaline bring it in a song, we burn him out with that. Kartel forget burn out too. So if when I go keep on and bring up the B-wash thing with Alkaline, make sure you bring it up with Kartel too, you know. Yeah man, bring it up with Kartel too. You understand? But people don't know media facts, you know. And they don't know my things. Me not just come here and just be, me I try to explain to people. Because me not some vlogger where just play some video. And just start 1, 2, 3 out. No, and I say work, me break it down. Yeah, and I'm going to talk the truth. I'm going to plain and straight and fair. You understand? But people don't know my things, you know. Yeah man, I media facts, man. That is it.